If you want to know the 5 top questions to ask your estate agent, then stay tuned. 5. Why are the current tenants leaving? This is important to try and establish whether the current tenants are leaving on their own accord or if it's a decision by the landlord. You will want some certainty during your tenancy, so if this is a poorly managed house, then see if this is the reason why they are leaving. If the landlord wants to move on, then see if the house is going to be maintained to your standards. If both parties are leaving on good terms and the house is in good condition, then that should give you confidence. 4. What is the condition of the house? You should plan a visit or two to see the condition of the house and whether it's cosmetically sound. Look out for any tea-coloured stains on walls and ceilings, loose fixture and fittings, is the garden overgrown, and are there any awkward smells? For a more robust assessment, you should request to see a copy of the Energy Performance Certificate to understand the efficiency levels, the gas certificate and the electrical installation certificate. A sign of a well-maintained house will have certified documents with valid expiry dates. 3. What are the ongoing household expenses? The estate agent will work out the rental value that is suitable for your level of income through their affordability calculator. However, you should also ask what the council tax band is, since this is a known amount that you should budget for. Also, who are the current energy suppliers so you can plan to move on to a more cost-effective plan if there is one available to help with the energy crisis we have at the moment. Plan out all the household expenses with your estate agent to get a true picture of all your costs. Next, please support the channel and get notified of more great tips by knocking on the like and subscribe button. Go on, smash those buttons. 2. Who is responsible for what? The tenancy contract will go into detail on the tenants and landlord's responsibilities, but you should still get a general idea when viewing the house. If you want to redecorate or install something in the kitchen, or if the house is furnished, then ask who is responsible. The landlord will have certain legal responsibilities, so if you want me to do another video on this topic, then smash that like button. The estate agent's responsibilities are normally to act on behalf of the landlord, but you should ask how they can support you if and when something needs attention. 1. Is there a holding deposit scheme? To ensure your deposit is not lost to a rogue estate agent or landlord, it should be held in a government-approved tenancy deposit scheme. Find out which one they are using and make sure you're comfortable with the arrangements. If you have met the terms of your tenancy contract, pay all your bills and rent, and you have not damaged the house, then you should expect to get your deposit back. If there are any disputes, then your deposit scheme will keep your money safe until the dispute is resolved. If you want to know how to pass a screening from an estate agent, then check out this next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you at the next one.